chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 5. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, east central Bamberg County in central South Carolina, southeastern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located near Branchville, or 13 miles northwest of St. George, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Somerton, Bowman, Poplar Creek Landing, St. Paul, Manning, Stempole Landing, Rocks Pond Campground and Marina, Yonder Field, Roseville, Vance, Utahville, Santee State Park, Utah Springs, Indian Bluff Recreation Park, Santee Cooper Regional Airport, Ellery, Santee, Davis Station, Branchville, and Blount's Landing. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 152 and 169. Interstate 95 between mile markers 85 and 122. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorms can produce large capsizing waves and frequent lightning. If on or near Lake Marion, move away from the water and take shelter. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florida and the surrounding area.